Today's video focuses on the single most effective tip for submitting documents to Younited Credit, ensuring your application moves quickly, accurately, and without unnecessary back and forth. The goal is simple: provide documents that meet Younited's verification standards the first time, preventing delays and eliminating the risk of rejection due to incomplete or unreadable information. The best submission tip is to prepare every document in a clean, high-resolution digital format before uploading. Younited's review process relies heavily on clarity. Any blurry image, cropped section, shadowed corner, or missing page forces manual review, slows approval, and can disrupt funding timelines. A clear document instantly signals authenticity, reduces verification steps, and increases the chance of fast approval, whether you're seeking a $1,500 personal loan or a $30,000 project-based credit line. Start by using your phone's built-in scanner mode or a dedicated scanning app. This produces a flat, evenly lit PDF that captures all corners of the page. Avoid photographing documents on reflective surfaces or dark backgrounds, because these often create glare or contrast issues during automated checks. Align every document so text remains upright and readable. Ensure your full name, address, income amounts, and dates match exactly with the details you entered on the application, especially for bank statements, pay stubs, or tax documents. If you're submitting income proof, include full statements for the requested period rather than screenshots that show partial data. When uploading identification, verify that every edge of the ID is visible, with no fingers or shadows covering security markings. Before final submission, open each file and zoom in to confirm text remains crisp and legible. A well-scanned, fully readable document set speeds up verification dramatically and positions your Younited credit application for fast, smooth approval without repeat requests or delays.